Welcome to Big Data Now, the channel where we break down complex data concepts into simple ideas. Today, we're diving into big data, what it means, why it matters, and how it works behind the scenes of your favorite apps and services. Let's get started. Big data refers to extremely large datasets that can't be processed using traditional methods due to their sheer size and complexity. It's often defined using the three verses: volume, the massive amount of data generated every second; velocity, the speed at which data is created and processed; variety, different data types, from text and images to videos and sensor data. Think of platforms like Netflix predicting your next favorite show or financial institutions detecting fraud, all powered by big data. Why is big data important? Because it drives smarter decisions. Companies use big data to enhance customer experiences, like personalized recommendations on Spotify. Optimize business operations, think about predictive maintenance in factories. Advance healthcare, with faster diagnostics and treatment plans. Big data helps businesses stay competitive by turning data into insights. So, how does big data actually work behind the scenes? Let's break it down using a basic architecture model. Data sources: data comes from websites, apps, sensors, and databases. ETL, extract, transform, load. This step cleans and transforms data for analysis. Data storage: data lakes for raw data, data warehouses for structured data. Data processing: tools like Apache Spark help process data efficiently. Data analytics: finally, data gets analyzed and visualized for insights. You can imagine it like a digital factory where raw data enters and valuable insights come out. Curious about the tools that power big data? Some of the most popular platforms include Apache Spark for large-scale data processing, Hadoop for distributed storage and processing, Snowflake for cloud data warehousing. I'll be creating dedicated tutorials for these tools right here on Big Data Now. Big data is transforming industries, and mastering it can supercharge your career. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next tutorial. Have questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching Big Data Now. See you next time.